connecting you to our community, 11 Connects. Welcome to 11 Connects. I'm your host, Jen Lennon. Today I'm joined by Jennifer Farnes. She is a master faceter and graduate gemologist with Revolution Jewelry Works. Jennifer, welcome back.
Thank you.
So I'm going to start today with trying to understand a little bit about your industry. I know every industry has its own nomenclature, its own lexicon, words we might use every day and not really understand what it means specifically to you. Tell us what we need to know in the jewelry industry.
So a lot of times when people are shopping, they will see the phrase of imitation diamond.
Okay.
And one of the big things that we encourage people to know is imitation means it's only meant to look like a diamond, but it is not lab grown. So if you see synthetic diamond or lab grown diamond or synthetic ruby or lab grown ruby, that means that on a molecular level, it is a diamond or it is a ruby or a sapphire or whatever.
But it didn't come from rock, it was grown in a lab.
Exactly.
Got it.
And when the word simulant or imitation is used, that means it's only meant to have the color characteristics and maybe some of the optical properties, but on a molecular level, it's something completely different.
Got it. And so if people aren't aware, gems are being grown in labs now.
Yes.
Right? And
yes.
so they are, like you said, molecularly, scientifically, they are the same thing as the actual gem in nature.
Yes.
But their origin is different.
Right. So actually, since about the 1870s, there have been lab-grown rubies.
Really?
And it was
Wow.
a process that was very en vogue, where for a while, rubies that were grown in a lab cost more than rubies mined out of the ground because everybody wanted the new science.
Got it.
Now, obviously, as times have changed and everybody who has the right lab setup is capable of growing sapphires or rubies or emeralds, it's become less en vogue, but it's still a more cost-effective option for someone.
And it's economical.
Yes.
So it's fine if you want to buy either one, no problem.
Right.
Just know what you're purchasing.
Yes.
And so I know you have some examples to show us here so that we can see sort of what these look like. So tell us about this picture.
So this is a pendant that is all rainbow colored diamonds, and they are genuine diamonds, but
Okay.
they've been radiation treated to have all different colors of the rainbow.
Got it.
So the really nice thing about this is if you're wanting to put a peridot into a ring, peridot is a very tender stone. So you can actually use a diamond to imitate peridot to give you the durability in a ring mounting.
Got it. I see.
So that's one of the really cool things about colored diamonds. Now, in this particular mounting, we used natural opal, but the center stone is a moissanite. So moissanite is meant to imitate diamond.
Okay.
It is its own thing completely,
It's its own gem.
molecularly, yes.
Okay.
But it has brighter dispersion properties than diamond, so it actually has more rainbow flashes of light that come from
So
the
you
gem
can say,
itself.
I want moissanite.
Yes.
Got it.
Now, also another thing to consider is that opal is very, very tender. So in this case, we used lab-grown opal as the accent on the side panels of the ring.
Gotcha.
She wanted to use peridot for the halos around the top, but again, the situation being that peridot is very tender, so we used the colored diamonds to mimic that.
Okay.
The ring on top here, it was meant to look like a pink sapphire, but it's actually a foil back, which is a plastic stone that has paint on it.
Huh.
And it's a costume ring. So this woman brought the original to us and wanted us to mimic it and use an actual pink sapphire.
Oh, interesting.
To mimic
Okay.
her birthstone, which is October, which is pink tourmaline. Again, kind of a tender stone.
Got it. And this last one, that's stunning.
Yeah, this is a lab-grown Alexandrite. So natural Alexandrite in this 4-carat size would run between $40,000 and $60,000. So that actual center stone ran around $2,000.
So the point is, it's okay to have different things. Just ask the question and ask what all the words mean.
Yes, absolutely.
Got it. Well, a great education from you today, always. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining me.